Promoting your Fiverr gigs involves strategic steps to enhance visibility and attract potential buyers. Optimize gig presentation. Craft attention-grabbing gig titles, clear descriptions, and engaging visuals. Highlight your expertise, services offered, and unique selling propositions. Utilize keywords. Use relevant keywords in your gig titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search visibility within Fiverr's platform. High-quality portfolio. Showcase previous work or samples to demonstrate your skills and expertise. Visuals or examples that highlight your capabilities can significantly attract buyers. Offer compelling packages. Create multiple service packages to cater to various budgets and needs. Clearly define what each package includes to add value. Promote on social media. Share your gigs across social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and relevant forums or groups. Engage with your audience and showcase your expertise through valuable content. Utilize buyer requests. Regularly check and respond to buyer requests on Fiverr. Tailor your offers to match the buyer's needs, increasing the chances of securing orders. Provide excellent customer service. Communicate promptly and professionally with potential buyers. Offer exceptional service and address inquiries or concerns promptly. Encourage reviews and ratings. Deliver exceptional work to encourage positive reviews and ratings. High ratings and reviews can attract more buyers and build credibility.